as a vertically integrated LED display innovator. SandsLED operates multiple smart production bases, supporting full-range solutions from P1.2 to outdoor pitch P10 with bespoke engineering capabilities. Automated SMT lines achieve daily output of 5,000 square meters, plus with industry-leading 7-day rapid delivery. Reduce your project TCO by 30% while minimizing post-installation failures by 50%, guaranteeing 100,000+ hours operational lifespan. ISO 9001 certified, CEU RoHS compliant, trusted by 1,000+ global clients across 15 industries since 2012.